Once upon a time, in a vibrant and creative society, there lived a young artist named Kira. Kira possessed immense talent and a deep passion for her craft, but she also understood the importance of embodying virtues that would contribute to the beauty and harmony of her society. Kira's first habit was cultivating compassion. She recognized the transformative power of art and used her creative abilities to tell stories that touched the hearts of others. Through her paintings and sculptures, she depicted scenes of love, unity, and the shared human experience. Kira's art evoked empathy and reminded people of their interconnectedness, fostering a sense of compassion and understanding within the society. Mindful speech was another habit Kira embraced. She recognized that her words held great power and chose them carefully. She used her artistic voice to spread messages of positivity, inspiration, and social awareness. Through her spoken word performances and written works, Kira encouraged dialogue, promoted inclusivity, and addressed important societal issues. Her words were a catalyst for thought-provoking discussions and positive change. Kira's ethical conduct was evident in her interactions with others. She treated everyone she encountered with respect and kindness, regardless of their background or beliefs. Through her actions, she exemplified the principles of honesty, fairness, and integrity. Kira actively engaged in community projects, volunteering her time and skills to uplift those in need. Her selfless acts of service inspired others to follow her lead, creating a ripple effect of goodness throughout the society. Generosity was deeply ingrained in Kira's artistic journey. She shared her artistic knowledge with aspiring young artists, mentoring and guiding them on their paths. She organized art workshops and exhibitions to provide platforms for emerging talents to showcase their work. Kira believed that art was meant to be shared, and by fostering a supportive and collaborative environment, she nurtured a society that celebrated creativity and recognized the value of diverse artistic expressions. Kira's pursuit of wisdom was an integral part of her artistic growth. She delved into different art forms, studying the works of masters past and present. She sought inspiration from nature, history, and philosophical teachings. Through her continuous learning and contemplation, Kira infused her art with profound insights and thoughtful symbolism, inviting viewers to engage with deeper layers of meaning. Her quest for wisdom ignited a thirst for knowledge within the society, fostering an environment of lifelong learning and intellectual curiosity. Equanimity was Kira's anchor amidst the ebb and flow of the artistic journey. She embraced the impermanence of artistic creations, understanding that they were meant to evolve and transform. She gracefully embraced both success and criticism, allowing them to propel her growth rather than deter her. Kira's ability to remain centered and composed in the face of challenges served as an inspiration to fellow artists, encouraging them to persevere and explore their unique artistic paths. Through her embodiment of these 6 habits, Kira became a beacon of light in the society. Her art not only adorned the streets and galleries, but also touched the hearts and minds of all who encountered it. Kira's commitment to compassion, mindful speech, ethical conduct, generosity, wisdom, and equanimity contributed to the creation of a beautiful and creative society where art became a unifying force, sparking conversations, fostering understanding, and inspiring positive change. Her story served as a living example of how one individual's commitment to these habits could contribute to the flourishing of a society that celebrated creativity, compassion, and the collective pursuit of beauty and harmony.